Hi guys, welcome to this video about hay fever and running nose and how you could very easy and cheap and fast could get relief of that. It started like this couple of weeks ago. The pollen season started really taking off here in Florida, and I went out and I did a little bit of cleaning outside. So of course it caused a lot of dust, and I was inhaling that, and my nose started running like crazy. I never had problems before, but you never know. I mean, these allergical things can start anytime, and I was shocked and thought, oh my God, the rest of my life I will be suffering of hay fever and running nose. So I went into the home and I started thinking what could work for me. And I remember that I made a video about colloidal silver working really good against normal running nose when you get a cold. And so I thought, yeah, when it's working, when you get flu, why shouldn't it be working against seasonal allergies like hay fever? And so I started using it the same way. I can put down a link into the description about the other videos so you will see how it works. But basically you just put colloidal silver into a pump spray and then pump it into your nose a couple of times, and during that time you take a deep breath, so you actually are inhaling that couple of times. And yeah, I did this then right after that about 2 weeks ago, and the running nose stopped immediately, and it was good for 2 weeks. And this morning I went out, and after last cold front yesterday, it was everything full of pollen. It was crazy, and I had to do something. I had to clean outside, and of course that caused a lot of dust. And I mean not real dirt. I mean that was 90% pollen, and I was really fearing that this running nose would come back and the symptoms. And but I didn't take the silver. I just waited and waited to see what happens, and it didn't come back. That was the surprising thing. And I started digging a little bit into that, trying to do some research what other people's experience is and what other people write about that. And it seems that the colloidal silver spray does not only have an immediate positive impact, but it seems that it can have really a long-term positive impact on some kind of allergies. That was really surprising to me, and for me it seems that it really worked. So I don't know if it works for everyone, but if you're suffering from runny nose because of hay fever, I think you should definitely give it a try. I mean, it's really cheap, it's fast, it works good, so it doesn't have any side effects as long as you're using really good quality colloidal silver. So that's really amazing. I mean, I'm not a professional health person in any kind. This is just me as a normal person talking about my experience on the internet. If you I mean, it's always a good advice to do your own research and to contact your professional healthcare practitioner or whatever. I mean, I'm not a professional. I'm just talking about these things and trying to help people fast and cheap and trying to save time and money. And yeah, so I personally would definitely suggest doing this, and these are the things you would have to buy if you don't already have them. So So here we have the listing on Amazon for the Amberglass Empty Nasal and Oral Sprayer. So sometimes I'm using this one, sometimes I'm using this one. This is really really flexible. You can use that for everything, nose, ear, whatever, wherever you need that. Here with this one, it's mainly for the nose, of course. And it's a nice set for only $7, so I really like it. It's good quality. You can also use it for travel. And the second thing is the true colloidal silver. It's the cheapest one, which is available now on Amazon for 16 ounces. There was another brand, but it looks like they are not on Amazon anymore. I don't know why. For me, it works really good. So if I would buy, I would definitely buy this brand, but I haven't tried, but the reviews are really good. They have more reviews on the 8 ounce, but the 8 ounce is a little bit more expensive. So I would definitely go with the 16 ounce, which is just 50% higher in price, but 100% more in value in silver. So I would definitely suggest to go with that, but it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions about that, or if you have any suggestion, maybe a better solution for that, would always be really nice if you could leave a comment in the feedback section, so we could talk about this thing and help other people as well. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.